Turns out Brad Pitt isn't the only lady killer in the Pitt-Jolie household anymore. Angelina Jolie reportedly tells Entertainment Tonight that her 12-year-old son Maddox has already started dating. And it's a long-distance relationship at that. Angelina reportedly says he's dating, he's got a girlfriend. She's great. I won't embarrass him. She's lovely. She lives in England. She's very cool. So, wait. How does Maddox maintain a relationship with a girl who lives all the way across the pond? Oh, yeah. If any family knows about jet-setting across the planet, it's this troupe. And since both Brad and Angelina have spent a lot of time in England with film gigs, they're all for making the trip. Angelina tells E.T., "We go there as often as possible. It's really, really sweet. She's a great lady. I'm so lucky. So far, we're doing good." Of course, we're sure Maddox is all up on FaceTime, Skype, and other means of communication with his long-distance girl, too. You know, after he does his homework and stuff.